Hi, this is Marty White speaking to you on behalf of the MYM Marketing Group. First off, we'd like to acknowledge that your time is limited and valuable, so we thank you in advance for going through this presentation. Please take about 6 minutes to listen and follow along with the dozen slides we've sent you. Our focus today is looking at 4 keys to creating new business for your company this year and in years to come. It is our view that you and others in the business of metal fabrication have a commitment to your factory floor and the people that work for you. For the most part, you have a base of clients you have fostered for years, and at times, the new business that you acquire is business referred to you by those clients. No matter whether you are welding, stamping, or plating, there are fundamentally 4 keys to building business in metal fabrication. The first 3, including increasing your number of customers, or expanding on what you produce, or aligning with another company in some way. All of these may seem standard fare, and the 4th option, going green, or growing with new technology, might be outside your comfort zone. But all 4 have one thing in common. All of them simply remain ideas, unless you and your company take action. And this brief presentation is all about taking action. Let's look at actions around going green for a moment. To quote Gerald Schenkel, "For the metal forming and fabricating industry, the surge in sustainable manufacturing practices is a significant win-win, because efforts by manufacturers to preserve our precious natural resources are positive from an altruistic perspective, and such measures can deliver cost-saving benefits both in the short term and long term." Mr. Schenkel goes on to say in Fabricating and Metalworking magazine that sustainability initiatives conducted by more than 200 companies have achieved, among many things, a significant 9% reduction in carbon footprint, while cutting costs, and energy costs by 6%, facilities costs by 7%, paper costs by 10%, and transportation and logistics costs by 7%. An example is Rapid Line Inc., a full-service fabrication and tooling shop that designs, manufactures, and finishes metal products, that initially focused its green efforts on natural gas consumption, implementing a variety of measures, such as installing insulation and industrial-grade fans to capture and redirect excess heat from its paint line ovens. Rapid Line reduced its natural gas consumption significantly while saving $46,000 annually. Similarly, a federal study in Canada notes the rise in truck manufacturing, for example, due to the adoption of green initiatives and the impact this revitalization is having on increased green-related job opportunities. The question is, when will your business and industry be affected? What are the implications to your business and to your growth opportunities? This year, if you retained your current business and added 1 new customer, would that be worth $10, $20, or $30,000? Or, if you added 10 new customers, would that add $250,000, $1 million, or even more? Consider this. If you take no action, what will your business look like this year? But if there is an action you can take, what possibility can you create? You are in business today because of the people working in your company and the processes that you have nurtured and developed over the years. Your business has experienced good, even great years, and possibly some soft years. But at the end of the day, it's the people you've got, how well you do what you do, and the actions that you take that makes the difference in your company's fortunes. Here's our pitch. A lot of talking and planning goes on in offices and boardrooms, as it should. At MYM, our plans reflect action, and our actions deliver on the plan. Our systematic business development and marketing and selling approach delivers results. At all times, you know what your cost exposures are, what results are expected, and what results have taken place. We've taken action by reaching out to you through this presentation. Will you take an action and meet with us? Take a 30-second meeting, and something good will result. That we can guarantee. You'll discover that MYM is part of a North American network. As a result of our experience and those of our associates, we can confidently make the claim that not only can we talk the talk, but we pride ourselves in walking the walk in your business. Our intention is that in 30 minutes, you'll discover our strengths, who we are, the value of our actions, and whether our process and we as people are worth your consideration. Our industrial experience is wide-ranging, yet focused on the needs of companies that have an interest in developing business, but who do not want to take an additional overhead on incremental costs. MYM: thoughts, actions, results. Take 30 minutes, create a program. Consider what actions are possible to get where you want to go. This is Marty White, and on behalf of myself and my colleagues at MYM, thank you for walking through this presentation. In putting it together, we thought of adding humor to our script, but smarter heads prevailed, and we'd prefer sharing a sense of humor with you when we meet. Until then, may you have continued success with your business, and remember, thoughts lead to action, actions lead to results. Take action.